guys, today I'm going to teach you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Three by three Rubik's Cubes have three main pieces: the center piece, the corner piece, and the edge piece. Cube can be turned two ways: clockwise and counterclockwise. And there's some terms to solve the 3x3. This is straight, and this is right inverse. This is left, this is left inverse. This is up inverse. And this is front, this is front inverse. When it's solved, the whites is going to be opposite of yellow, blue is going to be opposite of green, red is going to be opposite of orange. So let me shuffle. So now we need to solve the white cross. So this is the white centerpiece, and now we need to find the white edge pieces. There's one over here, so turn it over to yellow. There's one over here now. Turn it over to yellow. And there's the last one. Turn it over to yellow. We have to match this color to the centerpieces. So it's blue over here. We need to find the blue centerpiece. It's over here. So let's turn it over there. And then turn it over to the white. So match it to the orange. Turn it over to the white. Match it over to the green. Turn it over to the white. And then this is all matched, so turn it over. Now let's solve the white. When the white is solved, all 9 pieces are going to be white, and this whole row is going to be red, blue, orange, and green. Let's solve the white. Now we need to find the white corner pieces. There's one over here and over here. So there's 2, and there's the third one, and there's the last one. On the other side of this white is red. So let's turn it over to the red centerpiece. Because it's on the left, let's turn the left up, so left inverse, and then match this to the edge piece and turn it down. This isn't in the correct place. This has to be red. So let's turn it up. So to turn it up, we need to move this part up, right, and then up, and then move this down, so right inverse, and we got this up. So on the other side, it's orange. So match it over to the orange centerpiece. Since it's on the left, let's move left inverse, match it, and down. Now, here's one. So on the other side, it's blue. Match it over to the blue centerpiece. Since it's on the left, move the left inverse, match it, and down. So we have one more piece, and that one piece is over here. So since it's supposed to be over here, let's move this to here so it's lined up. Now we need to get this white over here and another color over here. So we need to do right, it got in the back, and then if we do it over here, when we turn it down, it's going to be on the bottom layer. So let's do it one more time. And then move it down and match it to the red centerpiece. So since it's on the right, let's move the right up, match it, and down. Now we need to solve the second layer. The second layer is this. So when it's solved, this is going to be red, green, orange, and blue. So on the top, don't include the yellow. So on the top, there's no yellow. There's a blue here, and below the blue, it's red. So let's match this over to the red. And then, since it's blue, we're not going to turn it over to the blue. Instead, we're going to turn it over to the green. And then, do left inverse, up, left, up inverse. Then turn the cube. And then do right, up, right inverse. And we got that solved. Now there's a green and orange here. So let's match that to the orange. Since the green's over here, turn it over to the blue. And then do left inverse, up, left, up inverse. Turn the cube, right, up, and right inverse. Now there's a red and a green. So the red's over here, matched it, and the blue's over here, and the green's over here. So let's turn it to the blue and do right, up, right inverse, up inverse, turn the cube, left inverse, up inverse, and left. Now there's the orange and the blue. So the blue's over here. Let's match it over. Since the orange is over here, get it over to the red. Do left inverse, up inverse, left, up, move the cube, right, up, and right inverse. So now we got the second layer all solved. Now, if you see an upside down L, move it over to your right, and then do front, right, up, right inverse, up inverse, and front inverse. Now you do the same thing if it's an upside down L, a line. So if it's a line, hold it horizontally and then do the same thing. Front, right, up, right inverse, up inverse, front inverse. Now if you see the cross, there's a cross. If it's like this, 2 lines solved and 1 on the bottom, hold it like this and then do right, up, right inverse, up, right, up 2 times, and right inverse. And there's another cross. So the same thing, right, up, right inverse, up, right, up 2 times, and right inverse. The same thing, right, up, right inverse, up, right, up 2 times, and right inverse. And keep doing it until the cross is over. Okay, so now we have to do right inverse, front, right inverse, back 2 times, right, front inverse, right inverse, back 2 times, and right 2 times. Now we need to find headlights. These are headlights. These, on the 2 sides, it's green, so move it over to green. and put it not facing you. And then do right inverse, friend, right inverse, back 2 times, right, friend inverse, right inverse, back 2 times, and right 2 times. Now we have all headlights. So let's move it over to the right position. So now I have 3 colors solved: yellow, white, and orange. So put the orange to the back and do front 2 times, up inverse, left, right inverse, front 2 times, left inverse, right, up inverse, front 2 times. Let's do it one more time. Front 2 times, up inverse, left, right inverse, front 2 times, left inverse, right, up inverse, and front 2 times. The cube solved.